What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm back again. About to do another video. Christmas is over. I know everybody did their thing. God bless, man. God bless. I know y'all had a good Christmas. For those who ain't had a good Christmas, just thank God you're alive. Thank God you could breathe. Thank God you get up in the morning. But at the end of the day, every day is always a good day. So I know y'all had a good Christmas as well. I want to show you the gifts I had got from my family. Okay, this is one of the gifts. Nike. Got this from my daughter. Nike slippers, you know what I'm saying? Always good for when I'm walking, you know what I'm saying? Got my little, from my socks, you know, see the color, you know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for my daughter, Key. God is good. And put that up. Just putting it up as we go. And another gift from my son, EJ. You know what these are, right, son? These are the joints right here. You know what I'm saying? These are the joints right here, son. You know what these are, son? Stop playing, son. Stop playing, son. The red joints. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Official. Thank you so much. Those official, son. Official, son. Yeah, hey. Got more coming, son. Those are the Timbs. Those are the Timbs right there. Those are the Timbs, baby. Those are the Timbs right there, son. Wifey, she got me a couple of gifts, so I'm gonna show you. Gucci. Wife looking at me through the door. Look at that right there, son. Look at that. That's the Gucci joint. God bless. God bless the wifey. Got me some nice gifts too. Nice gifts. Show you. Look at that right there. That's that. That's that Gucci, son. That's that Gucci, son. That's that Gucci, son. That's that Gucci, son. God is good, man. You know what I'm saying? I had a good Christmas. Last year was alright, but this is the best. Put it back in the box neat. You know what I'm saying? It's that Gucci, so I'm gonna put that right here. What else I got? You ready for this one? Got the drone, son. Got the drone, son. I could do my videos now. You know what I'm saying? I could do my videos. You know what I'm saying? U11 Pro. Now I could do my videos. I am so blessed. I am so blessed. Now I could do my videos. I do my videos anyway, but now I could do my videos up in the air, son. You feel me? You feel me? I can do my views up in the air, son. Look at that. It's crazy. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Follow me home, all that. I'm ready, son. I'm ready, son. I'm gonna put this right here. Let me see. Got more. Hold on. Some shorts, son. Some shorts. Gotta stay fit with the shorts, son. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it ain't short. It ain't shorts. You know what I'm saying? Sweatpants, you know what I'm saying? Good, you feel me? And we put that away. Hold on. It's always good to have these two. You feel me? It's always good to have them. Always good. It's getting kind of chilly. You don't want to wear jeans all the time. Put this right here. And I like these right here. I like these shirts. I like these. See? I like these shirts. I like these. I like these. I like these shirts. This is what wifey bought me, son. I like these shirts. I like these shirts. Put them right here. I ain't finished. It's another sweatpants, the red. I could wear these. I could wear this with this. I could wear this, this, and the Timbs, son. And the Timbs, and my KPFLIP hat, son. You feel me? Ready for this one? Y'all ain't ready for this one. Y'all ready for this one, son? Y'all ready for this one, son? You see me? It's that bag, son. It's that Coach. It's that Coach, baby. That's the Coach right there. Official, son. Official, son. That's that Coach. That's official, son. That's that official, son. I got the paper in there, son. That's that official, son, right there, son. That's that official right there, son. That's that official right there, son. How I look? How I look? You know what I'm saying? Look. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to rock the Gucci tomorrow, but you know I still got the Rolex joint. But the Gucci hot. The Gucci, that's better than the Rolex. Let me see, look at this, man. This is that. Let me tell you something. This Gucci, this is that corporate joint. Like when you're going for business, when I'm going to get my product, you know what I'm saying? When I'm going to get my product, I get dressed up, nice black shirt, black jeans, or even blue jeans, you know, or you know what I'm saying, or some Gucci shoes. People see this, they already know money, son. They already know money, son. And got the Coach belt, son. My wife is good to me, son. My wife is good to me, son. Coach. I didn't even take it out the bag, son. Because I was overwhelmed. That's that. That's that. That's that Coach, baby. That's that Coach, baby. That's that Coach, baby. And it got the gold. I'm gonna put this right here, son. I'm gonna put this right here, son. So I got this, the Coach. You know what I'm saying, son? How that look? How that look, son? How that look, son? That look good, son? Come on, son. They ain't knowing. They ain't knowing. I ain't done yet, son. And I got... This is the Michael Kors sweatsuit. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit, son. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit, son. That's the Michael Kors. That's the Mike. I'm not even gonna open it, son. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit, son. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit, son. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit. That's the Michael Kors. I'm gonna open it, son. I'm gonna open it, son. That's the Michael Kors. That's the Michael Kors sweatsuit, son. That's the ooh. That's the hoodie. That's the Michael Kors hoodie, son. That's the Michael. I gotta drink some water, son. That's the Michael Kors hoodie, son. I am so proud. I am so proud that my wife took the time out to get me something, son. If she would have got me one thing, it would have been okay. But to get me all this, I am so proud. I am so thankful. Look at that. Look at that, son. Look at that, son. Let me show you something, son. Let me show you something, son. Let me show you something, son. How that look, son? How that look, son? And I got the belt. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop doing it. Stop doing me like this, son. Stop doing me like this, son. And let me put that right here. And I got a jacket. That's the sweatsuit. The sweatsuit right there, son. It's the sweatsuit right there, son. The sweatsuit right there, son. It's another sweatsuit, son. It's another sweatsuit. It's another sweatsuit, son. I ain't done. Got the Coach, son. Got the Coach. That's the Coach right there, son. That's the Coach right there. Let me show you something, son. Hold on. Got the belt. And the bag. Take that off. Take that off. How that look, son? How that look, son? How that look? How that look, son? Stop playing. Stop playing yourself. How it look, son? Stop playing. Stop playing yourself. How it look? It's crazy, son. Hold on. And send something else. Let me get down to something else. Come on. Okay. One more thing. And since I'm getting money every day, all day in the streets, gotta wear this. God bless, man. Thank you for supporting the YouTube channel. Make sure you check in. Make sure you keep on watching and subscribe to the channel KPFLIP. Please, man. God is good, man. This channel is doing great, man. And just subscribe, hit the like button, share it if you have to. I'm going to keep on doing these, getting money. I want to help others. I want to teach others. I want to motivate others. I want everybody to win just like me. God bless you. Have a good day, man. Let me go enjoy these clothes and fly this drone and rock this Gucci watch.